Hello, this is YZ. Today we are going to install ComfyUI on WSL. ComfyUI is a pipeline-based AI tool for image and video generation. You can visually design workflows by connecting nodes, and it gives a high level of customization and reproducibility. Before we start, you need to update your graphic card's driver to the latest version. Right-click the NVIDIA icon in the taskbar and open the NVIDIA app. If you don't see it, download it from the NVIDIA website. I wrote the link down in the below video description box. In the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab and click Download. After the download finishes, the button will change to Install. Click it. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installation is done, press the Windows key and open PowerShell. Type WSL to enter WSL. If you haven't installed WSL yet, watch my previous video and set it up first. In the video description box, there is a link blog.yz/1. If you open it, you'll find command blocks you can copy. After WSL starts, copy the first command block and paste it into WSL. Copying works normally with Ctrl+C, but pasting into WSL might not work with Ctrl+V. Just right-click over WSL and it'll paste. After pasting, press Enter. You'll be asked to enter your password. Type it in. This command block will install Git, Python, Vamp, and pip. When it's done, copy and paste Python 3 -- version and check whether the Python is correctly installed. Next, copy and paste the next command block. This creates an AI folder in the user home folder. Now copy and paste the next block. This downloads the ComfyUI source from GitHub. Next, copy and paste the next block. This creates a Python virtual environment for ComfyUI and activates it. Then NVIDIA-SMI shows your current graphic card and its driver status. My graphic card is an RTX 3080 and my CUDA version is 13.1. Next, copy and paste the following block. This installs PyTorch compatible with CUDA 13. Currently, ComfyUI recommends CUDA 13-based PyTorch by default. Installing PyTorch takes quite some time. Next, copy and paste the next block. This installs the remaining required packages. At this point, the installation is complete. To run ComfyUI, copy and paste the next block. After a short while, you'll see a message saying something like, "To see the GUI, go to something something." Open a web browser and go to localhost:8188. You'll now see the ComfyUI interface. To stop ComfyUI, press Ctrl+C in the WSL. If you reboot your computer and want to run it again, open PowerShell, enter WSL, and paste the last command block. That last command is also written in below video description box for your convenience. With that, the ComfyUI installation on WSL is complete. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.